My name is Nyala Zobata. We are Nokutenda group in Mumera B village, Gujanga, Wadi 20, Chimanimani district, Manicaland province, Zimbabwe. The group consists of 10 females. Age ranges from 19 to 60 years. We are into baobab processing.
Problem statement.
As you have seen, we actually do not have means to process the baobab into quality.
Vision of the project.
To have a sustainable livelihood, to create employment for youth, to get income so we upgrade our living standards.
Core objectives of the project.
To purchase the Hara baobab process machine, to develop our community into a health community, learn to work towards self-reliance.
Project outcomes.
To pay school fees, buy food for the family, giving and offering loans, buy medicine for healthy care, buy our own livestock to claim our pride, purchase machine to process baobab products, and creating baobab plant nursery.